Hey there, this is Rick Herbst from RHR Realty Group. Listen, if you're saving up to buy your first home, you probably heard that you should save around 20% of your home price for your down payment. Well, that's actually not always the case, because unless specified by your lender, you don't always need to put 20% down. So take a look at this. This graph shows that today's median down payment is actually less than 20%. In fact, the average down payment of today is around 14%, and it's even lower if you're a first-time home buyer at just 6%. So what does that mean for you? It means that you may not need to save as much as you originally thought, which is fantastic. And on top of that, there are over 2,000 home buyer assistance programs across the country. And what they are designed to do is to help you, not only if you're a first-time home buyer, but in some instances, some repeat home buyers as well. So if saving for your down payment feels like a challenge right now, and I'm sure it does, know that there are programs that you may be able to take advantage of. Don't let whatever you think in your mind keep you from having your dream home ownership. Reach out to me so that I can connect you with the people that I work with that really create options for all of my clients so that we can help them move forward in today's very ever-changing, ever-evolving real estate market. Thanks for watching. This is Rick Herbst, RHR Realty Group, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.